Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have a new box and it's a big one. What's gonna be in it? We're gonna see it together. Let's do it. It's very heavy and I cannot pick it up by myself. So I had to call my brother to come and help me out to pick it up. But basically we wanted to take it to the basement, but it's really very heavy. So that's why, what we're gonna do, we have an idea from a genius guy, his name is Ahmed, who told us, you know what, don't take it down to the basement, just open it here in the living room and take the parts down one by one. Okay, let's do it right now. We'll open it first of all, and then we'll do the unboxing and see what is inside it. Okay, let me see one thing. I think I need to go from the other side to open it from here. Wow! It's not fixed yet.
No, it's not. It's not fixed.
Hold on, guys. Alright, let's see. So I think I'll go from the other side so I can show the camera. Wow. It is so big and so heavy. So we have the manual here, the guide, that's the guide. And we have a 2,000 cashbacks. Is that a scam? Here, do you want to see that? $2,000. I hope guys, no one takes it other than me. There's no code, there isn't nothing in it. So what I'll do, I just need to download the app for this machine and then follow the guidance. And so here it's called, okay, so it's a treadmill and it's called Super Fit. So it's basically for me to lose weight, and I hope that I'm gonna lose weight. We'll see. The date of the video today is 24th of December 2020, and we'll see after how many months I'll be losing weight. I need to lose at least 30 kilos. Okay, so we have the plug here. So this is the plug. This is how it is. It's similar to the computer plugs. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. And then here what we have is, I don't know, what is that?
Popcorn. No, it's not that.
Don't do that.
Wait, I think, don't do that at home.
And then we have this one here. These are the tools. And okay, I know this one here. This is the red one. So basically if you pull it, then the machine will stop. This is a really good one. And I think we have these tools here. That's, oh, why did I open it from here? So, okay. Anyway, finished already. So lubricant oil for treadmill. So that's the oil. So we have two of them. And we have a certificate, product name, parts, and all those things. Certificate is here. Okay, everything is, I'll just put this back to the bag itself, which I already wrapped it. So what we're gonna do, the next step is we are going to take piece by piece down to the basement so we can assemble it.
And you have 3 helpers.
And when we assemble it, basically it's going to be for the next channel. The other channel what we have is Learn With Us How To, and that channel is for assembling the products. And I'll put the link for that video under this video so you guys can see how we fixed it up. But now let's see, I'll show you what is still inside. So what is this here? So I think, Ahmed, if it is all one piece, then your idea of taking it down might be not a good idea.
But now it's not heavier anymore. You can all
It's
hold it
heavy.
together.
It's only the box, man.
Bro, the box was heavy itself.
We can take that back to make a castle.
What?